Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch. Students, welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern Group of Institution, Nevada, Bihar. Students, today I am going to discuss the second video lecture of class 8 of the chapter 4, that is our database object. So students, we have already discussed in the yesterday class. I have already told you basically there are 4 database objects for making a database. That is our one is a table, just like you see students. Okay students, you see here I have given some points. Okay, so students, you see database contains many objects. Okay, but basically there are 4 objects. So what are the objects, student? The first one is your tables, second one is your queries, third one is your forms, and fourth one is your reports. Okay student, and we will discuss students one by one. Today's class I will be discussed only table, because this chapter chapter 4 has given only about the table, little about the queries, form, report. That means that is your definition. The details has been discussed in the chapter 5 and 6. In the chapter 5 and 6 I will discuss of queries, forms and reports. Okay student, because to clear about the queries, forms and report, first of all we have to make a database. Okay student, and to make a database, first of all make a table. To make a table we learn some of the data types, fields and records. Okay student, the student, to make a database, these 4 objects we must need. Okay student, the first one is a table. Without the table we cannot create a query, we cannot make a form and we cannot make a report also. So table is the first database object which is very important for this chapter. Okay student, the student, come to the what do you mean by student table. Okay, the students, table, as we have already discussed, you see here I have written some points. You can see students. Okay, see I have written here student, table is an object that is used to define and store data. Okay student, because to store the data or to make a define of a field, so that one is your table. What you store the information or make the field, create the record, that is your table. When you create a new tables, you see this one, when you create a new table, access ask you define the field which is also known as a column heading. So that's why students I am telling you, to make a new table, to create a new table, first of all we need the field first of all. Okay student, without the field we cannot make a table, because without the field table is the meaningless and MS Access or database is the meaningless. Okay students, the student, to make a table we need first of all the field. Okay student, this first point is important for making a table. Each field must have a unique name and data type. Students, unique name means, see here I am writing, unique name means what? No duplicate, no duplicate. Okay student, okay student, duplicate means repeating and no duplicate means unique name and data type. Okay student, the student, we also discuss in the next video class what type of data types are used to make a table, to give a field name, to must specify a data type, and that data type will be discussed in the next video class. Okay student, the student, you just today you listen and see. To make a field you have to give a unique name and specify the data type. And another point I have written, see here student, table contain fields or columns that store different kinds of data. Okay student, the table only contains the field for which to store different kinds of data such as name, address, record, and records are row that collect all the information about particular instance of the object. So student, here I have written that what, first of all, to make a table you make a field first. To make a field you have to give a name, like name, father's name, mother's name, address. These are all the students' field name, and each field must have the data type, which will be discussed in the next video class, because I want to discuss point by point. Okay, so don't be students, don't be hesitate. Okay student, and in the record, after making the field, then we have to make a records, and that record contains information. Record means information about the particular instance of the subject, such as all the information about a customer, employee, etc. Okay student, after that, in a table also one is important, that primary key. See, primary key, this one also important. Okay student, the student, for the table what we need, one is your student, what, for making a table, you see I am making the bold and the large size also, easy to understand. One is your field student, another one is your student, what, to make a table, another also important, that one is your records. Okay student, one is your field, another one is your records. Okay student, another one is your what, data type, that is also very important. Okay student, and another one is your primary key. Okay student, so these four important keys are used for making a table. Okay student, is that clear or not? The student, already we have discussed field means it is a column heading. Okay, just like name of the student, roll number, class, address, these are all the field, and each field must have the data type, and each field you must have the, or some of the fields we need the primary key. And what will the primary key? Primary key means unique key. Okay student, I am writing here, primary key is a unique key, is a unique key. Okay, primary key is a unique key that does not contain, contains duplicate values, that does not contain duplicate values. Okay student, duplicate means, are you getting or not, means same value will not be repeated. Duplicate values means same value will be repeated. If same value will not be repeated, that one is a unique or primary. Is that clear student? Okay student, you try to understand this one. Okay, the next one student, when we create database, you store data in table. Remember, to create a database means first of all store data in a table. This is also very important. I am making this one also bold, okay, and large size also, remember. Okay, because other database object depends so heavily on table, that does not matter, but this point is very important. When you create a database, you store your data in a tables. Is that clear? The student, let us try and create the first table. Will store the basic contact information. You see student, here I am giving basic example here. Okay, you see so many field name. Suppose I want to create one of the table, that one is your employees, any organization employees. What type of fields we want to need? Employee ID, first name, last name, address 1, address 2, city, state, zip code, and these are all the data types which will be discussed later. Okay, you see this is your important. Okay student, so first of all, to make a table, first of all you have to give the field name and ultimately also give the or specify the data type, first name, last name, address, city, like this. Okay student, remember this one. Okay, then next student, you see, let us know how the sorter data type for all these fields and open blank database in Access. Okay student, how to make a blank database I have already discussed student. Yes or no? So student, you see, this is my database. Okay, this is my database. Here you see Microsoft Access I have written here. Yes or no? So student, to make a table, then how to make a table? Click on the create tab, then click on the table option. Okay student, there are click on the table option. Here the view option has been displayed. See, there are two ways to make a table. One is a data sheet view, another one is a design view. Okay student, one is a data sheet view, another one is a design view. And what is the difference between them? I will be discuss also the next video class. Okay student, the see student, data set view suppose. Okay, so this is my the data set view. Okay student, this is my the data sheet view. If you want to see the design view, you see, if you click on the design view, okay student, you see this is my the design view. So student, there are two methods to make a table. One is your, this is your design view, that means field name, data type, which has been given here the example. You see student, this one is your student what? Design view. To make the table like this, field name as well as the data type, that one is your design view. Okay student, and in the table directly, if you specify here like this one. Okay student, see the database. Okay student, again view, go to the data sheet view, this one. The student ID, add new field, like this. If this type of page will be displayed, this one is your data sheet view, and if this type of the table will be displayed, that one is your design view. But both have the same purpose, to make a table. Is that clear on a student? The student, so in the next, first of all I will be discuss data types, then what is the difference between data set view and design view, then next I will be shown by the practical way how to make a table, how to create a field name, how to specify the data type. Is that clear? Suppose I want to give your student roll number. Okay, roll number contains only the number, and see data type is mostly the number. Okay, suppose I want to give the student first name. Okay, the first name contains your text, the student give the text. Okay student, next one is suppose last name. Okay, the student, this one is also text. I want to give the student date of birth. In the date of birth, date will be mentioned. So for this, don't be specified the text, here the date and time will be there. So in this way student, you make the field and specify the data type, then save that one. If you want to see, you can see that one. You see data sheet view, roll number, first name, last name, date of birth I have created. Yes or no student? For this, when you give the information, that is your record. Is that clear student? So this one thoroughly I will be displayed after next video class. Is that clear? The student, try to understand up to this one. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.